an hour this morning, and I don't remember how it goes. Anyway, it goes like... Shit, how does it go?
I don't know.
Oh. Okay, basically it goes... He goes... And he's so epic, by the way!
It's gonna be the new YouTube sensation.
Epic sax guy. Your turn. You do the epic sax guy.
I don't know how for sure.
Have you seen the epic sax guy?
I saw it this morning.
Oh yeah.
Okay, go on.
Go again. I'm what?
I'm what? I don't know how does it go. It's really good quality. Your camera. No, you have to be humping it.
No, Mom.
You're playing the saxophone.
I am the old grandma.
That was scary. Whoa. Your camera's getting wet. Let's go over there.
Okay, come on.
But wait!
Can you not run with the camera? There's the camera. Come on.
Hey, look at water.
Oh! Wet.
Wait, I
God,
can't.
my sock is wet.
I can't come. I need to pee. Wait. Hang on. How do I stop this?
Press on the red.